A simple moving average calculates the average of a selected range of prices, usually closing prices, over a specific number of periods. It helps smooth out price fluctuations and provides insights into trend direction. Unlike more complex moving averages, the simple moving average is straightforward and easy to understand. For example, to calculate the 10-day simple moving average is just using the average of the closing prices for the first 10 days. For the next data points, drop the earliest price, add the price on day 11, then take the average, and so on. Similarly, a 50-day simple moving average would accumulate data to average 50 consecutive days. If the simple moving average points upward, it indicates that the security's price is increasing. If it points downward, the security's price is decreasing.